Can this 2022 Honda CRF250r improve my riding? Let's find out. Hey guys, Rado here, Northern Iron. This is my second day of riding on 2022 Honda CRF250r. The first day was at the track at Korea. You guys saw the video and I had a blast. The bike feels amazing. It's light, it's fast, it's powerful, nimble, feels great in my hands, and it just has a lot of upgrades for this year. It feels amazing. So I wanted to see how it's gonna feel when I take it on this I call it a backyard track or a turn track. Here this is a private land where I ride if I have time and I want to get better at riding. So this is pretty much like a single rut where I have to stay in the rut, and it's really choppy. Right now it's dry, but not as dry as normally because we had rain yesterday. I want to show you. That's what it looks like in California at the end of the summer. So we didn't have rain for like 5 months. It rained yesterday, and since I'm in California, I know what to do. The day after the rain, you go and you ride. You have to ride outside, right? Because you don't get that chance very often in the summer. Power is so good, guys. Just want to go on the gas all the time. And the stock exhaust sounds really good too. This thing is beating me up. 2-3 laps and I'm done. Alright guys, so I gotta tell you, it's this track, as you saw, it's really rough, and there's a lot of weeds because I didn't ride the entire summer. When it starts raining again, hopefully soon, then I'm gonna come here more often, so it will look much better. But anyway, I wanted to come here and ride, and bike feels good. That's one thing I want to tell you, that it really feels good. It stays in the rut, it's nicely planted, and the power is really good. It's not too much power where I give it a handful. It doesn't pull me out of a turn, you know, it doesn't like wheelie or do some crazy stuff. It's just enough, and I didn't even have to clutch it a lot in those turns, even though maybe some turns are a little bit more loose. The power just pulls me out of there. It's really nice. It's really good, you know, package for this kind of riding. I really feel that if I have 250 in this kind of condition, and especially this bike, it just feels so good. As I said in my previous video, it is the best stock, 100% stock 250 I ever ridden. It's really good. The package, you know, the suspension and the engine and how everything feels together. I think they did an amazing job shaving 8 pounds from the weight, so it's really light. It just feels so good. It wants to go where I point it, doesn't want to come out of the turns, and even though it's rough, and the suspension did really good job, you know, when I was riding through those bumps, you know, like where you have a really like a lot of bumps before the turn where I accelerate or brake or something like that, and that's the condition you would normally have on the track when it gets really rough. So this kind of condition really helped me to improve, and I can already see that this bike really works well for me, work with me. I take my 350 here very often, and also 125 two-stroke, but this 250, it does feel really good. I think it probably feels better than my 350 on this kind of track. It's just a little more suited for riding like that. So guys, if you are considering this 250 2022, give it a shot. You're gonna love it. It's really good package. Let me know what you think about this video, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later. Bunch of weeds. I need to ride more. Hopefully it will start raining. Oh, this feels so good. A lot of bumps and jumps.